The Rio Beach backpack chair offers hands-free portability and is lightweight to carry. Adjustable, backpack shoulder strap with large storage pouch. Patented and only by Rio Beach. Flexible suspension design supports and conforms to your body. 4-position easy adjust recline options. Lightweight, rust-proof aluminum frame. Weighs only 8 pounds. Features a large adjustable pillow and cup holder. Seat height, 11 inches. Weight capacity, 240 pounds. Top reviews from the United States. Very good chair. I am replacing my old one with this one, meaning that I've had the exact same chair before. I haven't had the new one long, but if it's anything like the old one, it's a solid chair for the price. My old one has lasted a good 10 years of constant summer use. I will say that the rings holding the ropes on the sitting part can start poking you once they oxidize, but nothing that a towel over it won't resolve. I'm speaking about the old one I have. New one, rings are still fresh. Overall this is a great chair and I'd purchase again.